Hello YouTube! Today we'll be making spaghetti aglio olio, and these are the ingredients that we will be using. First of all, we'll be using extra virgin olive oil, spaghetti, garlic, onion, chili, and beans, bacon, black pepper, and salt. To begin, we want to boil water. Add salt into the boiling water. Once the water is salted, we want to add our spaghetti. Spaghetti will take approximately 10 minutes to cook, so we'll wait. As my pot of boiling water is too short for the spaghetti, what I want to do is slowly push in the spaghetti into the boiling water. This is to prevent the spaghetti from sticking at the top of the pot and to reduce the uneven cooking of the spaghetti. Once the spaghetti is fully submerged into the boiling water, we want to blanch our green beans into the same boiling water for approximately 30 seconds to a minute. Why blanching? Why such a short time? Well, blanching allows green beans to produce a brighter green color, and such a short time is because we are trying to keep the crunchy texture. Once a minute or so has passed, we want to remove the green beans out of the boiling water. This is to stop its cooking process, therefore keeping its crunchy texture. After about 5 minutes of waiting, we can start the aglio olio. So first, you want to heat the pan. Heat the pan. You're gonna add olive oil. Okay, so while waiting for the oil to heat up, don't forget to stir your pasta. So while the oil is heating up, you want to drop in your bacon. Now, while we wait for it to caramelize, we can add these ingredients: the garlic, the onions, we'll add the chili a little bit later because we don't want the chili to cook too much. So once you see that it's actually caramelizing, you want to lower the heat a little bit. Basically to a low setting like this. Let it sweat for about a minute or two. Now, while we're waiting for that, you'll have to try the pasta, see if it is actually cooked. Yep, it's good. So now, while it's still caramelizing, we want to add the chili. If you like spicy, we can add more chili, but I'm gonna add a serving of the garlic. Garlic, what am I talking about? I mean pepper. This is just to add extra spiciness, extra heat. You can smell it right now. This is amazing. Once the aromatic have caramelized, we want to transfer the spaghetti into the oil. Make sure your heat is off. As we transfer the spaghetti into the oil, some of the spaghetti water would be transferred as well. That is okay. Since we haven't seasoned it with salt, the spaghetti water would compensate for the lack of salt. Now we mix. Make sure the spaghetti is coated with oil. As you can see, it's glistening with oil. Once the spaghetti is coated with oil, we want to add the green beans. Now we mix. As you can see, the color of green beans and chili stands out. Don't you think the spaghetti looks more appetizing with this popping colors? Now it's time for plating. Want to get a good healthy servings. For finishing touches, we're gonna add grated Parmesan cheese. There you have it, my version of spaghetti with Aglio Olio. Thank you for watching.